Mistral AI, a 4-week-old Paris-based startup co-founded by DeepMind and Meta alumni, has raised $113 million in seed funding to develop and apply large language models and generative AI, targeting an open-source approach primarily for enterprises. The investment round, led by Lightspeed Venture Partners, valued Mistral AI at $260 million. Mistral AI plans to create models with a focus on transparency and utility using publicly available data and allowing users to contribute their own datasets. It aims to release its first models for text-based generative AI in 2024. Meta AI researchers have unveiled a new computer vision model called I-JEPA, which learns more like humans do. The model is able to learn internal models of how the world works, which could help it to learn faster, plan how to accomplish complex tasks, and readily adapt to unfamiliar situations. Meta's chief scientist has been vocal about his skepticism around the current path of research in AI. He believes, with strong evidence, that a new model type is required. This first version of this new model type learns a strong internal representation of the world visually by conditionally predicting pieces of images. An in-depth explanation with visuals is available. A JavaScript tokenizer for LLaMA that works client-side in the browser, and also in Node. Some well-known angel investors have set up a huge compute cluster for startups to use to train their models. Paul McCartney used AI to create a new Beatles song by isolating John Lennon's vocals from a demo recording. Roop allows for the creation of deepfakes with one click. OpenAI has released new versions of GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 and a capability called function calling that allows developers to describe programming functions to GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4 and have the models create code to execute those functions. The pricing for GPT 3.5 Turbo has been reduced by 25%. This research shows that updating pre-trained language models with a few steps of a technique called gradient ascent post-training, GAP, on random, untagged text can significantly improve the model's ability to generalize and solve varied language processing tasks. In other words, by using GAP, smaller language models can perform as well as much larger ones, even without any task-specific adjustments. Detrex is an open-source toolbox that provides state-of-the-art transformer-based detection algorithms. It is built on top of Detectron 2 and its module design is partially borrowed from detection and DETR. This study tackles the challenge of comparing and improving deep learning training algorithms, which are vital tools to speed up data processing, save resources, and create accurate models. The researchers present AlgoPerf, a competitive benchmark system, designed to fairly assess various training algorithms and establish a basis for future improvements. ChatCSV is your personal AI data scientist. Many marketing teams hack together a content calendar, generally inside a product like Notion or Sheets. Assembly is exactly what marketers need right out of the box, plus takes it a few steps further. It integrates manager approvals, includes AI content generation, and pulls in all your analytics.